Does the Audi RS3 really need more power? No, it doesn't. The RS3 is smaller than a Ford Focus, but it has 395 bhp. Like the McLaren 720s and Porsche 911 Turbo S, it's one of those cars that already has masses of straight-line performance as it is. Thank you very much. Fine. I'll go and read something else. Don't go anywhere. Sure, the RS3 doesn't need any more power, but when it comes as easily and as cheaply as it does here, more power can only ever be a good thing. You see, tuning specialist Litchfield has boosted the RS3's 2.5-liter turbo motor to 500 bhp, while torque has risen from 354 pounds-foot to a thumping 484 pounds-foot. Normally, you'd expect to pay a small fortune for those sorts of power and torque gains, but the full cost of this upgrade is just £2,058. To put that into some sort of context, Audi will charge you £1,600 to have the RS3's speed limiter increased from 155 miles per hour to 176 miles per hour. For not much more money, you could take your RS3 to Litchfield and get a massive 25% or more power out of it, while having the speed limiter removed entirely. I'm sold. But why isn't the upgrade more expensive? It's because all Litchfield has had to do is remap the ECU, fit a bigger intercooler and whack on a higher spec air filter. Very simple stuff indeed. If you went on an engine tuning course, in fact, those are the things you'd learn about in the first 30 minutes. It wasn't so long ago that getting a hatchback or small saloon, think Subaru Impreza or Mitsubishi Evo, to develop 500 bhp was a challenge not unlike landing man on the moon. You'd be into a bigger turbocharger, an entirely new exhaust system, a reinforced block, water injection, and all sorts. It would cost a fortune. And even then the engine would be horribly laggy, the turbo would only come on boost halfway through the rev range and the motor would probably blow itself to pieces after a few thousand miles. This engine, meanwhile, feels as refined and as sophisticated as the standard RS3 engine.